In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run expense by vendor report in QuickBooks. This report is a quick way to see where your money is going and which suppliers are getting the most spend, so you can budget better, spot anomalies, and prepare for conversations with your vendors. Start by opening QuickBooks and making sure you're in the correct company file. If you use multiple companies, double-check the company name in the header so your report reflects the right books. Give QuickBooks a moment to load, then head to the Reports area. You'll find reports in the left navigation. This page is your home base for all standard and custom reports. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the search bar at the top to save time. In the Reports page, look for the Expenses by Vendor Summary report. The word summary is important here. It rolls up totals by vendor, as opposed to a detailed report that lists every single bill or expense. If it's not in your favorites or the expenses section, type Expenses by Vendor Summary into the report search and select it when it appears. Once the report opens, set the report period at the top. You can choose options like this month, last quarter, this year to date, or use custom to enter exact dates. Pick the range that matches the period you want to review, such as the last fiscal quarter for comparative analysis. Use the other controls at the top to make the view more helpful, like changing how columns display or sorting the totals so your largest vendors appear first. As you adjust, keep an eye on the totals to confirm they align with what you expect for the period. For more control, click Customize. Here's where you refine the report to match how you manage expenses. In the General or Rows Columns area, choose whether to show totals only or break out columns, and switch the accounting method between cash and accrual to match your books. In Filters, narrow the report to specific vendors, expense accounts, or transaction types if you're analyzing a subset of spend, like only subcontractor costs. If your company uses classes or locations, include those to see spend segmented by department or site. In Header/Footer, tidy up the title or remove elements you don't need to keep the report clean. When your choices are set, apply the customization to refresh the report with your settings. As you review the results, remember you can click a vendor's total to drill into the underlying transactions if you need to investigate further. That's a handy way to verify amounts or spot unusual entries without leaving the report. And that's it. Open QuickBooks, go to Reports, select Expenses by Vendor Summary, set the period and top of report options, then customize to fit your analysis. You'll have a clear view of spending by vendor in minutes.